Royal Enfield's first plant outside India in Thailand by June 2019. Royal Enfield has announced the formation of its first wholly owned subsidiary in the Asia-Pacific region, in Thailand, that will also host Royal Enfield's first assembly plant outside of India, which is planned to commence operations by June 2019. Announcing the company's plans for Thailand, Siddhartha Lal, CEO of Royal Enfield, said that ever since the company commenced sales in Thailand 3 years ago, Royal Enfield has been absolutely delighted by the love it has received from riders here. The company's customers in Thailand have discovered that its modern classics are brilliant for long rides on the highway, while also being perfect to commute on in heavy traffic in the city. He added that the company is committed to focusing our energies on becoming part of the fabric of this country's rich motorcycling culture, and the decision to start assembling our motorcycles in Thailand is a sign of Royal Enfield's long-term commitment and growing confidence in the market. Thailand was one of the first markets in Southeast Asia for Royal Enfield's new Interceptor 650 and Continental GT 650 twins, based on an all-new parallel twin-engine platform. Since their unveiling in December 2018, the 650 twins have received over 700 bookings in Thailand, with over 100 motorcycles delivered till date. The twins were developed from scratch by teams at Royal Enfield's technical centers in Chennai, India, and Bruntingthorpe in the UK. Talking about Royal Enfield Thailand's business plans, Vimal Sambli, head of business, APAC region, Royal Enfield said that Royal Enfield started with one store in Bangkok, which has been instrumental in helping the company understand this market. The company has an aggressive plan to expand its reach to about 15 standalone dealers and 25 authorized service centers by March 2020. The expanded reach will offer customers better accessibility and convenience in Bangkok and the Greater Bangkok area, Phuket, Pattaya, and Chiang Mai. Let's see whether Royal Enfield will rule the Thailand's motorcycle market or not. Please comment down below your thoughts about it, and which Royal Enfield model you had, or you want to have in future.